My name is Bill Michelance. I am the print technology instructor for the design and graphic program at NWTC. I was an adjunct instructor for 3 years, and then I went full-time, and I've been a full-time instructor now for almost 7 years. My passion for design really lies in the output. I love doing the presses. I love actually putting ink on paper, doing the prints, the wide format inkjet where we can actually create different graphics on different medias, applying them to different surfaces such as cars or windows, floors, you name it, we can do it. Just really the hands-on tactile work that comes along with it.
A few years ago, back in high school, like freshman year, I started programming, computer programming, just developing websites and HTML, CSS, JavaScript, basic PHP stuff. And eventually I kind of came to the conclusion that they didn't really look all that great. The functionality was there, you can build a contact form, let's say with PHP, make it work, but it just, there's different ways to make it look good on the actual website, and I noticed that I lacked those skills. So I kind of came into graphic design thinking that I wanted to understand and learn how to make things look good and function properly as well.
What I really get passionate about with the design field is the fact that our technology is constantly changing. There's different things going on. There's always something new to learn, different applications, different techniques. We get down into the print lab as well, and just the technology changes that have happened there with the introduction of the inkjet and the wide format. Just really lots of possibilities for different applications.
I originally started taking some classes in high school with it and just kind of fell in love with it, realized I had a skill with it and that I enjoyed it as well. And I decided that if there was something I wanted to do with my life, I wanted to do something that I loved and I could do well. And that, it made every day doing it enjoyable.
With either our design and graphic technology degree or our print technology degree, we serve a lot of the industries in the area, whether it's larger corporations that have in-house designers. You can design things like business cards, letterheads, brochures, pamphlets, up to some of the larger graphic houses that are strictly just design firms, all the way through the different print manufacturers in the area, such as like Bellmark or Independent Printing. And we're starting to branch more now into some of the wide format realms with things like vehicle wraps or signage and things of that nature as well. NWTC is a great choice for design because of how much of our focus is on the technical skills that our students will be able to come out of here, not only knowing the design attributes as far as what to put into their work, but also how to use the Adobe programs at a high skill level to be able to function in the environment. We do a lot of hands-on, a lot of realistic learning, a lot of service learning projects, just a lot of different opportunities for different modes of learning for students.
I also like NWTC just because I see a lot of technological improvements every year. Since I started, they pretty much reconstructed the whole BT building, and I thought that was pretty neat. I like how they take care of their students and keep innovating every year, so I really appreciate those things.
At NWTC we have our Design and Graphic Technology Associate Degree, which is a 2-year program, but we also have a 1-year Print Technology Technical Diploma that we highly recommend our students complete both. As of right now, there's only one additional class students need to take after their associate degree to also gain the Print Technology Technical Diploma.